This is Jonathan with Landworks Landscapes here in Nacogdoches on Sheffield Drive. We're starting another retaining wall drainage project. We've got our retaining wall block here that we've staged. We are working to solve drainage problems in the backyard of this home and taking down part of the brick wall that's failed over time. We come through the back here and you can see where this brick retaining wall has failed over the years. The customer has had water seep inside the house on this corner over the years. We're going to put a French drain here through this area to relieve the saturated soils and to handle the water coming down the hill in the neighborhood. We're going to put a couple of catch basins in here also to speed up the water going into the drain. Tie in a couple of downspouts here on the corner of the house over there. Our retaining wall is we'll take out this brick wall and move the wall back to these steps here. And so it's going to increase their patio area. So we'll haul this brick away, use some of the dirt to create a berm to divert water running down the backyard towards the house. But you can see the general outline of the wall there that we've painted. It's going to curve here and square up with the house, and then follow. There was an old retaining wall here at some point that failed years ago, and we'll bring it down to where the hollies are there for the end of the retaining wall. The retaining wall will have a drain system behind it as well to relieve the water pressure in the hill. Part of the problem with the failed brick wall was the water pressure pushing it over through the years. So we'll tie our downspouts into our drain and we'll drain it down through the curb at the street there where the crew's already digging. We do have an issue here that we've got to address. We're not sure how it's going to work out. The cable line runs through here and the electric line. So we're going to tiptoe around it while we're digging with some hand digging. The cable line's usually pretty shallow, and we can add some line to that and bury it deeper if we need to. The electric is usually 18 inches, 2 feet deep, and hopefully that's going to be deep enough for us to be out of our way, but we will take care to watch that. The wall here is tall enough that we're going to use a geogrid that will be inserted in the wall about halfway up the wall between a course of retaining wall block, and it will extend back into the side of the hill 5 to 6 feet, and that will provide a level of strength, increase the level of strength in the wall as the dirt's put back and packed on top of it. That helps tie that wall back to the hill. That plus the drainage system behind the wall, and each block is set back about ½ inch or so, will help provide the strength for the retaining walls. Another challenging project, but we're looking forward to it to help solve these problems for this customer. Give us a call for your drainage and landscaping retaining wall needs. Landworks Landscapes, 936-615-6568.